Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new installation. If you need LEDs for a Chevy Colorado, I'm gonna do an installation for you. This company doesn't need introduction. Lasfit. This is H11 6000K Lasfit. I'm gonna put them on. Obviously I'm gonna wait until it gets dark to see the before and after. Then we're gonna do the installation so you can see how bright and how good these LEDs are. And just for a reference, we have the instructions to put the LEDs, stickers, red, black and white, and this is the LED. It's gonna have fan on the back with the cooling design. It's gonna be all aluminum, so they're gonna be really durable, heat resistant, and super bright LEDs. But you guys already know how good Lasfit is. These LEDs are super bright and really durable. So let's go to the installation on this 2019 Chevy Colorado. Okay, for the installation on the passenger side, we have to remove this cover. We're gonna find out that in a minute. For the driver, it's a little bit easier. You just have this cover right here. Cover is kind of big, so you can just leave it down there. Then you have the bulb, twist it, pull it out. Same thing for the new one. The bulb, twist it so you can lock it in place, plug it in, and close your cover. You can see now driver versus passenger. Big difference. Okay, for the passenger side, you can remove this whole black cover. You have one clip here and you have another clip down here. You can remove the whole thing, but you don't have to. I also remove this little hose. It was attached on top, but you can just remove those two, peel the cover a little bit, and then you'll see the cover for the headlight. Twist it and then remove it. Once you remove the cover, you'll see the bulb in there. Okay, the one that I show you and remove, that's the high beam. You have to remove, still you have to remove this cover if you don't remove the cover all the way to get to the other one, because they're kind of big. So once you remove that one, you can get access to the other cover for the low beam. Okay guys, installation is done. We're gonna go for a little drive now that it's really dark. I just have to put the covers and the clips back on it, and installation is done. You can see the difference now. Always the passenger is a little bit higher for safety. With the cutout now, with the new ones, I can definitely see that, but still the headlights, you can bring it down probably a little bit, but on this one they look just the same as the halogens, so we don't have to adjust the beam pattern on it. Definitely you can see the road now with the new LED. you can see in camera, all the light is aiming in the inside, in the front, not on the side, so when you're driving you're not gonna blind oncoming traffic. You can go right. And that's the good thing about Lasfit. When you put the LEDs, you can see right in the middle. You can see all the whole light is pointing there. It's not pointing to the sides, so you're not gonna blind people when you're driving. But if you put LEDs and you think they're a little bit higher, yeah, just bring them down a little bit. You should be fine. Now you can see the road a lot better with these Lasfit LEDs. Okay guys, so that was the installation on the H11 LEDs from Lasfit. Link is gonna be in the description for the LEDs. If you have a similar vehicle or a Chevy Colorado or whatever vehicle you have that needs H11s, link in the description for them. Super bright. I know they're gonna last a very long time, and you can't go wrong with Lasfit. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.